all got like 3 hours of sleep. Well, at least I did. So. Excited? What did we just do?
We just, clean around like the whole Jackson Heights, like the whole neighborhood. It's pretty cool. I got to talk to a lot of people and like greet them, like their language. It was smooth.
That's so awesome.
Nice. Thumbs up, good. This guy just said that he really appreciates us coming out here picking up trash. So he gave us each a pair of earrings that he made.
Subway just singing, and Caitlin teed up on us. That's our turn now, but she got to talk to this guy and talking about Christ. He was what was he? He was
agnostic.
Agnostic, and so his mind all week we've been praying that people's hearts would be open and their eyes and ears would be open to hear what we have to say. And this was Caitlin got to reach him and talk to him, and then we were singing. I was worshiping, and then I saw this girl just standing there watching us. And I walked up to her, and she already had tears in her eyes. She's like, "You guys are so bold." And I said, "You know what? You're bold to sit here and listen, because people are going to see you listening to us, and then they're going to start listening to us. You're such an example of Christ." And then I asked her if there was anything that I could pray for her for, and she was going through the same thing I was going through when it came to switching churches. And I encouraged her with my favorite verse, which is Proverbs 3:5, and that's to trust in the Lord. And lean in not on your own understanding, but in all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will guide your path straight. And man, now we're lifetime friends. But yeah.
just finished another day of missions. We're exhausted.
It is 1:30 at night. Well, I mean,
De la
it's
mañana.
1:30 in the morning.
And we're gonna be up soon.
But we all had really good conversations, and like I just feel it's all getting closer, and it's just really fun.
Yeah, we're really sad that tomorrow's the last full day of missions, but we know that it's gonna be a blast. And we're getting to go to Manhattan and serve tomorrow. And sorry the vlogs have been kind of like shorter. I've just been really tired and I forget to like record.
Yeah,
Also,
and we're just caught up in the moment too. Like
Yeah.
we don't think about pulling out our phones.
yeah, we also have been picking up trash a lot today and can't really record that.
Yeah.
Because it's just not very
I feel like the
interesting.
cigarette, like, cause there's a lot of cigarette butts on the ground. So I feel like that smell's gotten to me, and I'm like, whoo.
Yeah.
It's like, I don't know, girl. It's a little crazy.
But we're here to tell you guys that we will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.